Do your kids like bath time? Today we're going to give them good clean fun making bathtub soap crayons using essential oils. Hello, my name is Marcia Vogel with Ray of Hope Essentials, bringing you yet another way to use essential oils in your health and wellness journey because they don't do you any good sitting on the shelf. So we have our supplies gathered to make our soap crayons, and we're starting with a glycerin soap. This is goat milk glycerin soap. It can be any type of glycerin soap. We're gonna chop it into cubes. Each cube is about an ounce. I have some coloring for bath bombs, so that should be good to use without staining the tub or the children. We have essential oils. I have a Pyrex container to melt them in, and then I have a silicone mold that this is designed for ice cubes to go in water bottles, but I thought, well, this would make some good crayons. So we have our supplies. I'm going to start by taking 2 of the squares and melting them in the microwave. We're going to start with 30 seconds, and then if it still needs more, we'll add in 3-second increments. And we will be back when they're melted. So our 30 seconds is up. I probably could have done with about 20 to 25 seconds, but it is nicely melted. There are no lumps in here. We're going to add the coloring. That makes a nice lavender color. And then we're going to add our lavender essential oil. Just going to add 1 drop to that. Now, there's not a whole lot of in there. Oh, it smells nice. And then we are going to pour it into our mold. Get it where you can see. They said you want to fill it close to the top, but not overflowing. See, you're going to want to work kind of fast because it sets up really quickly. We're going to do another batch. So I've got orange coloring, so we're going to add a couple drops of that. And some wild orange essential oil. Mix that up. And then I'm going to do the same with some other colors and scents. I've got spearmint that I was going to make green. Balance is a grounding blend. It's very calming and soothing. And I was going to make that one blue. Lemon will be yellow. And then rose, I will make a pink or red. So it's just a rinse and repeat until you get as many colors as you want. You don't have to have a lot of colors. You can just pick and choose a couple. You can make them all one scent, or you can vary the scents. So we have them all poured. We're just going to give it a tincture of time to set up. Make sure they're good and solid before we try to pop them out. So it's been 24 hours, a little bit more, and we're going to pop these out. So they set up really nice. And you just kind of turn your mold inside out and they come out nicely. And then I'm going to cut them in half and then package them with one of each color, and I'll have gifts for 4 kids. So there you see how easy it is to make bath soap crayons with essential oils to have good, clean fun with your children. If you found value in this, click like, hit subscribe. We're making more videos all the time on different ways you can use essential oils in your health and wellness journey, because they don't do you any good sitting on the shelf. Thanks for joining me.